Hi everyone, this is Kira from Dublin City Libraries. Today I'm going to be taking you through Universal Class. So this is a powerful online continuing education service designed specifically for users of public libraries. There's over 400 free online courses available to registered library users in every library authority in Ireland. So this is not just for Dublin City Library members, this is available to all library members in the country, but I will be showing you how to access it as a Dublin City Library member. Other library authorities may have links on their websites to Universal Class. So there's courses in exercise and fitness, entrepreneurship, arts and music, home and garden care, cooking, computers and technology, health and medicine, homeschooling, and so much more. The courses involve real instructors to guide your learning, video-based lessons, and certificates of achievement. So the way to access Universal Class is, of course, to go to our Dublin City Libraries website. So I'm going to open that up now. And you scroll down until you reach Universal Class Online Learning Courses. So the first thing you need to do is register for the service before you access it. So we're going to register here. And this brings us to the registration page. So it's saying it needs our library card number. So I'm just going to pop mine in here. If you have a Dublin City library card number, it should start with D1. And that lets the system know, the Universal Class system know that that's a Dublin City Library member. If you have registered online recently for a library card, you will have received a temporary number, which is a shorter number and it doesn't have D1 at the start. You may need to get in touch with Libraries Ireland to ask them to convert that to a D1 number in order to access some of the e-resources. There's a section on the Libraries Ireland website that you can go to and log a ticket for help, and they will sort you out. Okay, so I've put in my D1 library card number. Press go. This brings you to the new member registration page. You just need to fill this in. You need to select your library authority from the drop-down menu, your first name, last name, email address, create a password, and check the appropriate boxes. So I'm just going to do that now, and then I'm going to click continue. So I have filled in the information. I am going to click continue, and hopefully this has worked. So it's loading. And I am in. Wonderful. So this is what the home screen looks like for Universal Class. They are showing me some course recommendations, different things changing on the screens, things I might be interested in. And then along the side, I have the My Universal Class tab, which will have a list of my classes, should I take some, my achievements, my profile, my contacts. There's also an email section so you can receive correspondence from them as well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take a little look at the courses available and show you how to take one. So course catalogue. So you can search a topic and see if they have a course available on that, or you can just have a look here at some of the topics available. So accounting, alternative medicine, crafts and hobbies, business, career training. There's absolutely loads. So there's ones that you might just like to do for your own personal development in terms of crafts and hobbies. Or there might be ones that you might be more interested in for computer skills, entrepreneurship, business, career training, and so on. So for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to have a look at crafts and hobbies and have a look at some of the popular courses. So candle making, cake decorating, Western calligraphy, acrylic painting, Adobe Photoshop, dog training, anti-aging techniques, aromatherapy. As you can see, there's such a wide variety of courses available. I'm going to have a look at bread baking because that seems to be what everyone on the internet is doing at the moment. Everyone is at home making their own sourdough starters and breads. So it tells me that it's 5 hours long and I get 0.5 CEUs. So you do get accreditation for taking these courses. So it's just going to give me a little summary. There's 12 lessons. There's 9 exams and assignments. The course takes around 5 hours. And there's a description down here. So what you can choose to do is you can do the course with the exams and assignments as part of it, or you can just do it as a video course, which means you can just watch it and enjoy it at your own pace, but you don't get the accreditation at the end. So I want to join this course, so I'm going to click on join this course. Please confirm that you want to join this course. So as I mentioned, it's giving me the option to join the video only course, which has no assessment in it, or I can join the certificate class. So just to show you, I'm going to join the certificate class. I'm going to enter the course. So it welcomes me to the course. I can have a profile picture if I want. I can introduce myself in class forum, talk to other learners. I can have a look at the lessons. So lesson 1 is instruments, utensils and preparation. I can't access the other lessons until I have completed lesson 1 because I am doing it in the assessment and assignment format. So you can see each unit has an assignment, and when you complete the course, you'll get your little accreditation as well that you have done it. So if I just view the first lesson, you can see that there's video, there's activities, you can do a discussion, you can print out some of the resources. So it gives you your class objectives at the start and goes through the first part of the course. And then there's a video that you can watch as well. So let's just see if it works. Full screen and enjoy that as part of your learning. So as I said, after you complete the first module, there'll be an assignment that you need to complete in order to take the second module. So if I just go back to the start page, because I'm in the course now, I can review the learning outcomes for the course. Here they are. So I'm going to learn how to make sourdough bread, rye bread, sweet bread, gluten-free bread. I have a report card. So this is the date that I started the course and the assignments I have submitted, my percentage current grade, and then my overall grade, the points available for each course, and then my score. It explains that all there. And that is the extent of the certificate course. I want to show you what it would be like to just do a course without the accreditation part. So let's say I want to join candle making. So I want to join the video only course because I'm already doing a course with a certificate, the bread baking, and I don't have time to do another course, but I would like to watch some videos on how to make candles at home. So I'm going to join the video only course, and it explains it all here. The video only mode, you don't get the exams or the certificate. So I'm going to choose video only mode. And it pops up there in the classes I'm taking section. So let's have a look. So you can see the difference now between the bread baking course in that we couldn't see the other modules, but here I can see all of them because I am doing the video only course, so I can just pick and choose which ones to watch at my own pace. So if at any time I want to take a look at my profile, there's an icon here, the little person, so you just click and you can toggle between your classes, your achievements, your profile, contacts, your account options. And if you click on Universal Class on the left hand side, it brings you back to the home screen and you can see some more of the featured courses. So that was a walkthrough of Universal Class. I hope you found it useful and it might be particularly good at this time when we're spending so much time at home to learn something new or just watch some videos on different topics. You might be thinking about careers, you might be thinking about just passing the time, and do remember it's available to every library member in Ireland.